Good morning, grade 4 students. I'm sure that you enjoyed your Eid holidays. Am I right? So after a short break, again we are going to start our studies. Yes, and now today we have our science class. Okay, so you remember your chapter name? Yes, it was about environment. Good. And we have completed day 11. So today we have day 12, and let's see what kind of activity we have to do today. So book science and chapter is environment, day 12. What's more, what's less? Now we are on page number 57, and today we have a very interesting activity again, and it's about what's more, what's less. Basically this activity is about science skill. So the science skill is analyzing or comparing. So let's see what we have to do today. So are you ready, guys? Excellent, great. Okay, so listen carefully. Think of the three spheres. Which abiotic and biotic factors are more in these spheres and which are less? हमें तीनों स्फेयर्स जो हैं उनके बारे में सोचना है, और हमने ये देखना है कि कौन से एबायोटिक और बायोटिक फैक्टर्स तीनों स्फेयर में किस में क्या चीज़ें ज़्यादा हैं और क्या चीज़ें कम हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट अगेन. थिंक ऑफ द थ्री स्फेयर्स. Which abiotic and biotic factors are more in these spheres and which are less? So while doing this activity, we will learn about a science skill, and the science skill is comparing. So what are our three spheres? Yes, the number one is atmosphere, the second is hydrosphere, and the third is lithosphere. Okay, so we have to see what abiotic and biotic factors are more and less. Okay, so we have different columns here, like air, water, soil, light, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and decomposers. So, and we are going to start from atmosphere. So in atmosphere, air is more, water is less, soil is less, light more, producers less, primary consumers less, secondary consumers are also less, and decomposers are also less. Now let's discuss about hydrosphere. So in hydrosphere we have less air but more water, soil less, light less, producers less, but primary consumers are more, secondary consumers are also more, and decomposers are also more. And now we have our last sphere, and it's lithosphere. Okay, in lithosphere we have less air, less water, more soil, light is less, producers more, primary consumers are also more, secondary consumers, what do you think? Yes, exactly, more. And what about decomposers? In lithosphere, decomposers are also more. So I have filled all the columns. Now what you have to do, what is your home assignment today? You have to make this column in your copy on the page, and you have to fill all the columns. Okay, so this is your today's activity, and I am sure that you are going to enjoy this activity a lot. And the activity is about a scientific skill. The core skill is analyzing, and you will learn another sub skill, and that is comparing. So are you ready for your home assignment? Okay, so do it and send it to your teachers. Allah Hafiz.